I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this unit by ISEE hair. This is how the front and the back of the box look, and we're just going to unbox right now. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and obviously the first thing that's there is the actual unit, but we'll get back to that. Let me show you the goodies that I got. I got a pair of eyelashes. These are 3D eyelashes that they gave me, and then I also got an info card. I was so excited to see their new info card. I haven't seen, the new models and all of that, so I'm hype about that. But yeah, and then I also got wig caps, and this is the actual unit, you guys. So I got a 28-inch Malaysian straight bangs wig. If you don't know what that means, that basically means that there's a fringe or bangs in the front of the wig, and the wig was very nicely protected. It came in this little Ziploc type bag, and then there was a hairnet that was protecting the actual hair, and then inside the wig there was this protective bunch of papers. I don't know what they call this thing, but it protects the actual lace. Well, not necessarily lace in this case, because this wig actually has zero lace. I'm actually hyped because look how long the hair is, and obviously it's got bangs. So I was actually getting ready for brunch in this video, so I was feeling it. I was like, yes, it's gonna go with my outfit. If you have not followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to post a picture of my full outfit with the hair and everything. But yeah, this is actually what I meant by no lace. There's no there's nothing. There's no lace. There's nothing that you need to pluck. It's just the tracks, and then it's just this part where they sewed the top of the actual unit. And yeah, there's combs and there's adjustable straps, but there's no lace, and that just means convenience. When I see no lace in my head, the first thing I'm thinking is just convenience. So all I'm going to do is adjust the strap so that the wig actually fits me, and then I'm going to put on my wig cap that they gave me, and I'm going to put the wig on my head. So when the hair is brand new, the way that it is with my one, I'm just going to pop the wig on. But when this hair is brand new, the bangs are extended so that you can choose where you want to cut that fringe, So what I'm going to do to make my job and my life easier is, before I cut anything, I'm going to brush my hair, I'm going to lay my hair, I'm even going to whip out my iron. When I whip out the iron, it's a serious situation. So I'm gonna whip out the iron just so that I can get a flat unit. I want it as flat as possible so that I can see where to cut. I can see what I want. I can see the style. And I'm also trying, because of the fact that these bangs are so thick, they're not two bangs, you actually have quite a lot of hair there. I want the hair to be super flat and not look big. I don't want to look like a lollipop. And yeah, I feel that can happen easily when you have bangs. You can look like there's a lot happening at the very top of your head. So I'm going to straighten, and I'm going to try and flatten and do what I can to finesse the hair before I cut it. And this is a tip for me, well, especially because I was actually getting ready to leave, but put a random t-shirt on top of whatever you're wearing, so that when you're cutting, I know this is also why I didn't do my makeup first. When you're cutting, you just want to get rid of any of that excess hair that you're going to cut off, which is why I recommend you do your hair first, and then you come and cut your hair and you've got that protection, that top that you're gonna wear on top of your actual outfit. So I really just cut whatever. I don't know, I just think because I really needed to get this done, but otherwise I would have loved to go to a hair salon and get somebody to cut it, you know, for me. But I trusted myself on this day. I was like, you know what, I'm going to brunch, I know how I want to look, I've got scissors, let's do this thing. And then I also kind of, you know, feathered out the actual bang. Like I didn't just cut it straight, like I feathered it out. You'll see here I'm feathering it out. I'm just making sure that that's not too blunt, but you know, it ended up working out. I do think that this is a very beginner friendly, very easy, very whip out the box and, you know, take it out, you know, type of wig, because I did that. Like I took it out the box, I put it on my head, I cut it, I went out to brunch. Like it was really that simple. And then I took a straightener just to make the bangs look way more natural. So guys, I love this hair. I definitely enjoyed the fact that there was length to it. I do recommend, however, if you do shop with the link that I'm going to put in my description box, get a higher density. I felt like I wanted the actual strands of the hair to be thicker. But other than that, girl, I absolutely loved how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm obsessed. It's giving winter baddie. It's giving everything that I wanted to give. But yes, like I said, I just wish the actual hair was thicker. But I will put a link in my description for the actual hair and for wigs similar so that you can shop. But yes, do not forget my pro tip. Get a higher density. Get like 250%. So yeah, that is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.